children, I am Anjali, your EVS teacher from Mangala Vidya Mandira. Children, in this video we are going to learn our 13th lesson. So what is our 13th lesson name? Yes, it is facilities for our use. Okay, let us start the lesson. Lesson number 13, facilities for our use. Children, after studying this lesson, you can identify the need of public facilities and protect them. How to protect them? Okay. So it was on one sunny day, the children were supposed to visit various places in their locality. So, children, it was a one sunny day. Children were supposed to visit various places in their locality. And all the children were very happy because they were going to visit various places in their locality. Okay, and all of them came to the school very early. They were happy to see the various places and they came very early to the school. The bus arrived at the exact time. The bus arrived at exact time, correct time to the school, and they went in a queue. Children went in a queue and sat in the bus, and the bus started, and first it stopped at the library. Where it stopped, children? First, library, to the library. So in the library, so you can see in the picture, children, you can observe, so some boards are there. What are those? Do not litter, do not tear the books, silence please. Okay, and the books are okay. So next, children read the boards carefully. So when all the children went to the library, children read the boards carefully, and they moved around the library silently, because the rules is there. We should always be silent, maintain silence in the library. Okay, yes. And they took a few books. Children took a few books and read them for some time, and again they kept them back in their places. So what they have done, children, they took few books and read them, and again they kept the books back in their places. Okay, yes, came out from the library, they sat in the bus. So read the boards that are in the picture of the library. Why have they been written? Okay, so children, in the library, some boards they have written. What are those? Do not litter, do not tear the books, and silence please. Why they have written? Because we should not make noise in the library, because the other people also, they will also read, or else they will get disturbed if we make noise, isn't it? We should maintain silence, and we should not tear the books. So books are very precious things, isn't it? So we should not tear the books. Okay, yes. So the next page, have you seen the library in your locality? Have you seen, children? Yes. And what are the rules have you followed there? What are the rules we should follow in the library, children? We should maintain the silence. So the boards will be there, silence please, and we should do not tear the books. Okay, and we should not litter. Okay, yes. So make it habit to visit library. Okay, you can also go and you can also visit libraries, children. Okay, yes. The bus stopped at the bus station, and they were going to various places. No, and the first place is library, and this is second place. The bus stopped at the bus station. Children got down the bus. They went around the bus station. Okay, and in the bus station, so what they are doing, don't you know that we get diseases if we eat these open and cut fruits? Cover them with a lid. So fruits they are selling, some persons, no, the children are telling to that person, don't you know that we get diseases if we eat these open and cut fruits? Cover them with a lid. They are advising to cover the fruits with a lid. Yes, and people put the waste outside the dustbin. It is our bus station. Let us keep the bus station clean. So what the children are telling to the people who are in the bus station, so they are in the bus station, people are throwing the garbage or waste outside only, but children advised to throw in the dustbin, because it is a bus station. We should always keep it clean. And someone has not closed the tap. So in the bus station, so what they have done, the people, they have not closed the tap. So but children went and closed the tap. It is running, and the children will close the tap. Okay, closed the tap, the children closed the tap. Okay, so how did the children cooperate in a cleaning the bus station, children? Yes, they have done many things. They closed the tap and saved the water. They put the waste in the dustbin and created awareness about selling fruits in open, which can spread the disease, isn't it? So many things they have done. Okay, this is what the children have done in the bus station. Okay, so the next is so in the next page we can see how is the bus station of your place. So in my place, it is, our bus station is neat and clean, children. Even have public drinking facility and public toilet and many shops. So according to in your place, you can write here, children. Okay. Yes. The children boarded the bus and alighted near the hospital. Okay. So the children, after first they went to library, and after that they went to bus station. So after the bus station, they came to the hospital. So this is your the children are asking, this is your hospital, keep it clean and do not litter in the hospital. So even in the hospital also some boards are there, children. See, do not spit and use me, like. So use me means that is a dustbin. Okay. Yes. So the children observed the different kinds of function in the hospital. They got into the bus appreciating the cleanliness of the hospital. Yes. So what they have done, the children observed many different kinds of functions in the hospital. They got into the bus appreciating the cleanliness of the hospital. It was very clean hospital. So even they have seen the board like do not spit, use me. Okay, this is your hospital, keep it clean and do not litter the hospital premises. We should maintain silence in the hospital also. So they have seen this, no? They got into the bus and appreciating the cleanliness of the hospital. So visit the hospital of your place. Is cleanliness maintained there? Observe and write your observation. So here I will write according to my locality. Yes, in our area hospital they have maintained cleanliness and all the things and stuff also neat and clean. So according to your locality also, locality you can also write, children. Yes. So in the next, so the bus stopped near the park. The children were very happy. So first they went to library, after that uh, what bus station, and after that they went to hospital. After that they came to the park. So this is your park, keep it clean. So alas, somebody threw a stone and broke the lamp. Don't they understand that we will be in trouble if there is no light? So somebody what they throw the stone and they broke the lamp. So the children are telling, don't they understand that we will be in trouble if there is no light? So if they have broken the light, so when if the light will be not there, if the power will go means light will be not there, it will be dark, isn't it? So we should protect them. So, oh, this is toilet is used by many people. They did not put sufficient water. It is stinking. So, in the park, we can see many things, children, isn't it? Even in the park also, so many playing things also there, and many what exercise doing. We can do exercising. That type of things also will be there. Even drinking facility will be there. Even toilet facility will be there. So that toilet will used by many people in the park. Yes, no? Yes. So if the people will not put the sufficient water means it will stinking. So the children who went to the park to visit, so the children is telling we should put sufficient water or else it will stinking. Isn't it, children? Yes. So next they played in the park till evening. So the children played in the park till evening. They were tired. They sat in the bus and returned to the school. So after the hospital they went to park, and they what they make the people for awareness for that broken lamp, for toilet, to put the sufficient water and all. After that they played in the park till evening, and they were tired, and they returned to school. Okay, yes. How is the park that you have seen? Write in two lines. We should write in two lines. How is the park in your area, children? In my place, park is very beautiful, and it has many playing things. Okay, according to in your locality, you can write here. The next day, the teacher asked the children a few questions about outing. You also participated in that outing, don't you, children? Even we have also participated, isn't it? Yes. So, answer the following questions. Write the names of places you visited. What are the places the children visited, children? Library, bus station, hospital, park. Yes, no? Yes. So, which place did you like most? Yes, obviously, children likes park because we can play and we can get many things to play in the park. Yes, no? Yes. Library, hospital, bus station, park, all are the places of public facility. Who use them, children? These are public facility, because public means not only one person or two person will go. All the people, public will, all the people will go to these public facilities, so that all the people will go, no, so that it called public facility. Public means all the people. So who use them? Yes, obviously public use them. Yes, the facilities which we use are public facility. Why do we need them, children? We use them for our need. Yes, no? Like library, we will use to read the books, hospital to get the treatment, bus station to go for other places, to park, to play, isn't it? So we use them for our need. So these are our public facilities. What are those? Library, hospital, bus station, park, etc. Because all the people will use these places, isn't it? Yes. So who will use these facilities? Why do we need them, children? We will use them for our need. Then fifth question, who protects these public places? Know about it and write. Who will protect? Security guards protects the public places. Yes, no? Yes. And even our responsibility also to protect these public facilities. Like in the park we have observed some people broken the what street light, isn't it? So we should not do like that. And even in the case of toilet also, we should put sufficient water in the uh, what for public toilet. And in the case of what street light, so even our responsibility to keep it clean. So write the names and the need of the public facilities that you see in the picture in the space given. So what is this picture? It is water tank. We use water tank to get water. The next, school. We go to school to study. The next picture, it is library. We go to library to read the books. And it is hospital. We go to hospital to take treatment. And bus station, we go to bus station when we want to go other far places. Yes, no? Yes. The post office, we go to post office to buy or post the letter. And this is park. We go to park to play and walk. Yes, this is railway station. We go to railway station to travel other cities by train. And this is street light. We need street light in the night to get light. And this is public toilet. Okay, yes. So go down. We go down to buy grocery. And this is road. We drive vehicles on the road, isn't it? Yes. So observe these pictures carefully. Write what would you do in such situations. So in the first picture, toilet is there. It is very dirty. What we will do, children? We will put sufficient water. Yes, no? Yes. And in the second picture, that street light is on in the daytime. So we will switch off the street light. And the tap is on. Already that pot already filled, but the still tap is on. We will turn off the tap. And we were in the next picture, the girl is throwing the garbage or waste on the road, so we will advise them to put garbage or waste in the dustbin. And in the next, the boy is throwing the stone to the library glass, and we will advise to the boy to not throw the stones to library, isn't it? Yes. So it is our duty to protect these public facilities because all the people will use this facility. Okay, yes. So make a list of the public facility in our locality. So what are the public facilities? Just now we have learned, my children, what are that public facilities means? All the people will use these facilities. So school, it may be shop, hospital, park, temple, post office, bus station, etc. So these are public facilities. So which use all the people. Okay, so school is a public facility. Why? Why? Because yes, it is. School is a public facility because in school everyone can get education. All the people, isn't it? Yes. And how do you and your friends keep your school clean, children? We should not scribble on the walls and we should not throw the waste in the dustbin. Then we can keep our school clean, isn't it? Yes. So next two activities are there, children. The public facilities are hidden in this word grid. Identify them, draw a line around them. One is done for you. So according to example, you can do the other, you can mark the other public facility. Okay. And next activity, identify the public facility and draw a line around each of them. So what are the public facilities are there? You have to circle that. So these two activity I will leave to you. Okay. So children, I hope you understood this lesson, facilities for our use. So in this we have learnt what are the public facilities. With the help of that school children, they went many places like library, park, hospital, and park, isn't it? Yes. So children, what we have learnt, public facility and how to protect them, isn't it? Yes. So children, I hope you understood this lesson. So in the homework, you should read the lesson and do the working pages in the textbook and paste the pictures of public facilities or places. Okay? Yes. Thank you.